Line drive it in. Fairwell, here's a winning run. Sends it around third. The relay. Cubs win. Cubs win.
The dawn of the cable age brought WGN-TV to the nation, and a voice already familiar to the heartland of America became a national icon.
There's a drive. Way back. It could be.
For the most part, there was very little programming. So baseball was the constant, especially in the Midwest and in the South.
Carey admitted he couldn't sing at all. He figured that's why so many fans weren't afraid to sing along with him. Singing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game" during the 7th inning stretch became a Chicago tradition during Carey's tenure across town, broadcasting White Sox games.